Hello guys, welcome back to my new video. So in this video we will learn something new. So let me explain what till now what we have covered, right? So this is my new playlist, Node.js simple and easy way. So we are learning for technical skills to for job purpose, right? To get a job very easily. If you have a skill, you can get a job very easily. So yeah, my purpose is to find a job for you. So for that we need skills. So in our last video, so I have covered, guys, eight videos I have already done actually. So I uploaded, and you can check and learn from these videos. Okay, so I'm sharing my real-time experience here. Okay, and the in my previous video I have shared how we can connect Node.js server with MongoDB Atlas. Okay, so and which is also a cloud database. So we have covered this, and the code was here. First we created the server, right, by using HTTP. Then in my early videos you can see this code. Okay, and after that we created the database connection by using Mongos. Okay, and we did this codes, and we have used this connection string from cloud, MongoDB cloud. Okay, I have elaborated all these things. So how we got this URL and how we can got connected from our server. For that, let's start our npm. Let's start my project. Okay, so npm start is enough to start the project. So yeah, here we go, and Node.js is currently running. Okay, and database connectivity also done. So yeah, this is the code we have done in our previous videos. Okay, so and we can do the same thing by database connectivity using cloud or Atlas. So we can do the same thing by using this n numbers of code, but we reduce it in 4 lines of code, right? This one. So we already tried this one also. So right now we are going to delete this, and yeah, this is the clear code for for better understanding purpose, right? So guys, we have covered how we can connect this cluster database. Now right now in this video we will cover how we can connect the local MongoDB database. Okay, if you have MongoDB database in your system, so how can you connect that? For that we have to just change the URI, right? So we will do that. We will not use this URI because we are not going to use cluster database. We are going to use just our local database. Okay, so MongoDB must be installed in your system so that it will work. So in my earlier videos how we can install MongoDB, we have cleared, right? We have seen this in my previous video. So yeah, go and check out that video. And yeah, we will do one thing. We will do just another URI. Okay, so URI is capital, and yeah, we have to provide our connection string, but in our local host connection string we have to provide it, right? So we are not going to use the cluster. We are going to connect our local MongoDB database which is installed in our system. For that, MongoDB should be there in your system, right, installed. So in my very first videos, installation and setup the Node.js environment in local system, I have explained all these things. 70 minutes I have given actually for that. So whatever the requirements, MongoDB, Visual Studio Code, Node.js. So how can you install the software, required software there. So I have explained in this video only. Okay, for that you have to watch this one, this first one and second one videos, right? So guys, here we have to declare our connection string. For that, how can we get that? So guys, we have to create our own connection string. For that we have to type, it will also work for you because in every local system, if you want to connect with your local system, you can use this simple code and it will connect to your local database, right? So the code will be same for you as well. So we will type MongoDB. Okay, then colon / type localhost. Okay, colon 27017. This is the port. Okay, so guys, what is the meaning of this URI we are typing here? So we have to connect our local MongoDB database, right? So for that we have declared the MongoDB same as this one, and colon / localhost colon 27017. Okay, so MongoDB, actually your local MongoDB, in your the database which is installed in your local system, so it will work only in 27017. So it uses actually this port only, 27017. Okay, so guys, yeah, this will be the same in at your end as well. So you have to type MongoDB colon / localhost 27017. MongoDB running on the default port which is 27017. So in interviewer ask also that MongoDB in which port MongoDB run default. Okay, so what is the default port number MongoDB running? So we have to say like 27017. This is the default port number MongoDB is running. So let's try to connect with it. Okay, so and can start. So guys, as you can see, database connection successfully connected successfully, right? So we got this. So we will try something new to get to know that it's working fine or not. So for that we will type our database name here. So mine database, right? I'm going to type just my database name. Okay, so I just type it. Okay. So database. So after the port I just added slash, okay, then my database name. Just save it and try to run it again. So yeah, it's connected right again. So after that, if I add another string like giant, let's see what will happen. Okay, let's see. Yeah, it's throwing me error, guys. So Node.js is currently active on, yeah, Node.js is running, server is running, but the connection is connection, we got connection error to connection error, Mongo API error, right? We got API error. Database name cannot contain the character slash, right? So we are getting this error. You have to remember that we are getting this error because we just put this string name, okay, after slash. So our database name can be here only, and after that nothing should be here, right, after slash. So we have to remove this. So I hope you getting this error, right? Why I'm getting this error. So just save it again and run the whole code. Yeah, it's got connected again. So I hope you're getting this. So after the port number we just add the database name. Our database name is my database, okay, and you can do any you can type any database name, whatever you have, it will got connected. But if you do something like the slash and any string, then if you save this, and you'll get the error very frequently, right? This one. So you'll get to learn that how we can solve this error. So if you getting this error, means you added something in your query string wrong, okay. Just remove it, and let me type dot here, dot j. Let me check once it will work or not. Okay, it's giving me error, right? So we cannot use dot with the database name, right? So yeah, so this is a very interesting thing you learning here, right? Okay. So guys, another thing is that localhost has some port actually. So what is that port? We will learn. If suppose that if you want to connect the if you don't want to type localhost here, you want to type your port number here. So some port is there. Your localhost has some port. So we will some default port is there. At your end, it will also work with the port. So yeah, sorry, this is the port. I want to instead of localhost, I want to add IP address. Okay, so this is the port actually, this is database name, and this is the IP address. So instead of IP address we have used localhost here. So instead of localhost the name, we will use the IP address. Okay, so you know what is the IP address of localhost? So we will just put that IP address here. So guys, the IP address of localhost is 127.0.0.1. So guys, this is the IP address of localhost, and it will also work at your end. So yeah, in IP address everything should be in 3 digits. So here we have 3 digit. This is 1 digit, 1 digit, 1 digit. We can put 0 here. Okay, we will try with 0, 0, 0. Okay, so that let me try with it first. So this is the default IP address of localhost. So let me type here localhost default IP is this one only, 127.0.0.1.1. Okay, so 127.0.0.1. okay, so this is the default IP address. So we will try with it now. Let me run the codes, clear the terminal, npm start. Okay, so yeah, database connected successfully, right? So we got database connected successfully here. So this is not a big deal, and we have learned something about the IP and about the port of the MongoDB. Okay, so MongoDB has default port, and this is the localhost IP. You can type localhost as well as 127.0.0.1. okay, so this is the IP of the localhost. So yeah, so guys, the very next part from now onwards is to how we can create MongoDB CRUD operation. So for that we have to use Node.js, MongoDB, okay, and Mongoose and Express.js. Express.js is a framework of the Node.js. So you have to learn something about Express.js. After that only we can perform CRUD operation. So perform CRUD operation in Node.js by using database MongoDB, we have to require something called Express.js, which is a framework. So first of all we have to know something about Express.js. After that we can go for CRUD operation, right? So I think I am covered up with the how we can connect the database with Atlas database, which is MongoDB cloud database, and how we can connect the local database, right, which is localhost database. So in both case we are using MongoDB. You can choose SQL as well, SQL and Oracle as well. So in my case, I am working with MongoDB, so just elaborating things with MongoDB, right? So MongoDB is also now very popular, no worry. So you can go for it very easily. It's very easy actually. So guys, in this video we are going to end this video actually, and we'll learn something new in our next video, which is called Express.js. We will see how what is the Express.js and how we can use Express.js to perform CRUD operation. So before explanation of Express.js, we cannot do CRUD operation. So yeah, I'm going to finish this video here only because I don't want to make the video lengthy. Okay, so yeah guys, keep following my videos so that we can learn more, okay, from the real-time experience I have. So thank you guys, thank you.